Fuck it. But now, I know how to... This bitch trying to get in my room. I know how to get rid of the pimples now. That Vogue shit, you guys, can I be honest with you? So on Vogue, they made me do that thing, the routine, right? My skincare and makeup. I did the whole thing. But my God, listen to me. My God, I fucking couldn't tell you guys what I was using. They didn't like that I was like saying, "Shot of Vogue is fire." But whoever I was working with that day, they were like, "Oh no, it'll look like you're sponsoring. You're sponsored." I'm like, I don't give a fuck. Wanna be sponsored. Would like to be sponsored. Just saying. I don't fuck with shit that I don't fuck with. Actually, sometimes. But I'm gonna be honest with you. Huh? I fucking, you know. I wish I could have told you guys what I was using. Excuse me, give me my sponsor. Spit on your bitch. That was an inside joke. That didn't register, I feel like, the correct way. But I'm just saying, like, bitch, what if I want a sponsor? Bitch. Yeah, I'm washing my face. What if I want a sponsor? Damn. That's fucked up. That's like an opportunity for everybody. You go on Vogue, you make a video about you washing your face and doing your makeup. And you talk about all the shit that you like. And then the brand that sees you doing it says, yo, that's cool. You're sponsored. Yeah, I'm bald now. I'm just gonna accept it though. I'm bald as fuck. Wait, what are you gonna do? Like, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna just disappear? Like, nigga, no. I'm just gonna keep doing what the fuck I was doing, but without edges. What you want me to do? And you know what's so funny is people got me so fucked up. Can we talk about this, you guys? Everyone in this room is a cool person. I'm just saying. Everybody else is not cool. So I'm just saying. So I'm just going to speak from that sense. Alright? People on my Vogue comment section were saying, ooh, she's so harsh with her skin. I get it. I exfoliate 2 times a day. Do I exfoliate with a intense exfoliator? Bitch, I'm trying to think of the word. Stop trying to get in my room! Oh no, that was just the wind. What? Someone said I hate you. Good. I hope you do. But like people are like, "Oh, you exfoliate 3 times a day, bitch. 2 times a day." You can exfoliate 2 times a day, bitch. Just depends how intense the exfoliation is. I'm so done with you fucking bitches. Dumbass bitches don't know anything about skincare. Trying to talk like you know shit about skincare. But you know nothing. I went in the comment section and bitches were like, "Ooh, you put oil before moisturizer." No, dumbass. You're fucking dumb. Good luck, dumbass.